Happy Mommy Monday, you all. Welcome to my channel. I'm Christina Danielle. In today's video, I'm talking to you guys about clogged ducts when it comes to breastfeeding. They suck, they're not fun, but I'm gonna give you guys tips and tricks and things that you can do so that you don't have to deal with it. But before I get into it, stop what you're doing and go ahead and hit the subscribe button. One click, simple, easy, free. Why not do it? Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload. Okay, so before I get into how to fix a clogged duct, we're gonna talk about what a duct is. So our breast, when we are breastfeeding, has ducts all around. Like it's full of ducts which produce milk and basically send the milk to our nipple, to our baby. So sometimes when we're breastfeeding, you can get like an oversupply, or you're just not emptying your breast properly. Those ducts can get clogged, and it's very visible. You can see it usually, you can feel it. It's like a hard lump, and sometimes it's quite painful. When I first started breastfeeding my son Hendrix, I would get them underneath my arm. It's very uncomfortable, but it's easily fixable. It definitely is, and it's nothing to freak out about. It happens to the best of us. It's just one of those things that happens. So my first tip that I can give you about clogged ducts is make sure that you're emptying your breast. So even if your baby's full, he stopped eating, try and you still feel full, get a pump. Manual pump or an electric pump. Pump it to make sure all that milk is emptied out. Don't throw your milk away. Don't throw the precious gold away. Put it in a storage bag, put it in a bottle for your baby, put it in the freezer, just anything, don't get rid of it. But that is a preventable way for you not to get clogged ducts, okay? A second way is putting your baby on your nipple. Babies have a very hard suction. Usually, if I have one and it's just one and I can feel it, I'll put Hendrix on and it goes right away. Goes right away, super simple. Tip number 3 I could say is while your baby is nursing, massage your breast, pushing those ducts and making sure all those ducts get emptied out. That actually helps as well. You're just working them out. You're working it out. Number 4 is using different breastfeeding positions. That makes a huge difference, especially like if your clogged duct is underneath your arm. You want to position your baby where his chin is facing the duct, and that's going to help you also get it going and get it out. Now, if you don't have an electric pump and your baby is asleep and you just need a little bit of comfort, the best thing you can do, if you have someone to watch your baby or if you have a monitor, is go take a hot shower. If you can't stand it on your breast, just turn your back to the shower, and usually it just gets that milk flowing, and as that milk is coming out, massage your breast, and that'll give you some relief, even if it's long enough for your baby to just take a nap and wake up. It's very simple. I'm on a breastfeeding forum on Facebook, and I recently seen that dads are actually helping unclog the ducts. So what they're doing, they're just latching on to their significant other or their wife or whatever, and they're sucking, and that empties out the duct as well. I haven't done that. To me, that's a little odd, but if you do that, whatever. But that's another thing that you can do. Clogged ducts are a little uncomfortable, but it's not the end of the world, and sometimes they can get painful. But if they are not dealt with immediately or in a good amount of time, that clogged duct can become infected, and then you could also get something called mastitis, which is a whole nother ball game. I unfortunately did get mastitis. It was not fun, but it can be cured with antibiotics, it's really simple, but sometimes it can be severe where you actually have to be hospitalized, and it's not fun. So if you can prevent those things by doing these tips, taking the preventative measures, then why not do it? This breastfeeding is an awesome thing and a beautiful thing that you can do for your baby, but you kind of need to do it the right way and be informed of everything that could possibly happen so that it does not happen to you. I don't want to scare anyone, but just giving you a heads up of what could possibly come whenever you are a breastfeeding mom. I hope these tips help you all. These are things that I've done, all of them except where my fiance actually sucks the milk out, but it's preventable. I actually had a clogged duct I think maybe 3 days ago, 2 or 3 days ago. So what I did was I just put him on my nipple and I massaged it like the tip I gave you, and it went away. It's very simple, very easy. So those are some things that you can do to help relieve the pain, get rid of it and reduce it from happening. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was very informative. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions regarding a clogged duct, and yep, I'll see you guys on the next video. Happy Mommy Monday. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next week.